we've just checked out and we're heading to get some breakfast. We're gonna go to Higashiyama and then we're gonna go to Kiyomizu dera temple. We had such a great stay in this hotel. I highly recommend it, guys. I'll be linking a full review that John will post on his blog. It'll have photos and everything. I'm really excited that we're like one of the first people to stay here. I'm hiding in the shade because it's so hot. Oh my god, there's a huge spider on me. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is that? Why is it on me? Is it gone? Is it gone? Shit, it's still there. It's gone now. Where did it go? Are you sure it's gone? Okay. What? What's there? What am I looking at?
Turtle.
Is that a turtle? Both hands. Yes, you're gonna have lots of good fortune now. So many food places here and like street food. Beautiful. There's a little bit here where you can stand under it and it like mists you with cool water because it's so hot outside. So John's just gone to get us tickets. It's 400 for an adult and 200 for a child. So I think the main building is actually getting restored for 2020, so the roof is like closed over and stuff, but still looks very cool. This area is actually so much bigger than I expected it to be. It's so beautiful. I bet it looks even better when the works aren't happening, but I think they're kind of sprucing everything up for the 2020 Olympics, so that it looks nice, but it's so big. Didn't realize that Kiyomizu dera was this big. It's beautiful though. So there's two rocks on the floor here, and the idea is that you're supposed to close your eyes and walk from one rock to another, and if you manage to do that without like falling or losing your path, then you'll be very lucky in luck. But the problem is, this area is very busy, so I can't imagine how you would do it without bumping into someone. You can have someone lead you, however, that means that you will need a mediator in your relationship, which is not good. I'm not going to try and do it just because I don't want to die. So this is it. This is the second rock. You're supposed to walk to this one. There are also supposed to be 3 different fountains here, and they each symbolize a different thing. I know one of them is for love, the other's for just well-being, I think. I'm not sure what the third one is for, but drinking from all 3 of them is considered greedy. We are going to see the pagoda. Oh wow, it's so beautiful! I really need a drink now because it's so hot. Do you want to go get a drink?
Yep.
I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. What a beautiful temple. Okay, so now we're gonna head to Seikanji Temple. Nobody seems to be going this way, but it closes at 5:30, so we might as well explore a little bit. There's some Buddhist graveyards and birds making noise. So we've walked up all the way up the mountain. It's nice up here, much more green. Someone's been making little stone art. How pretty. It's so quiet here. After we're done exploring here, we're gonna go back to our hotel, grab our bags and get on the train to Osaka because that's our next stop. We're going to Universal tomorrow, Universal Studios. So a nice relaxing day after 2 days of more adventurous activities. Doesn't this look like Strangle's Veil though from World of Warcraft? Hmm? Have to go down that path. And it should take us to the toilets and the car park. Look, isn't it cool? This place is like something out of Lara Croft. Oh my god, amazing. Sweaty. Sweaty chic. Do you think there'll be a vending machine here? Oh my god, what is this place?
Yeah, there is.
There's a vending machine here, oh my god. Look how beautiful that is, whoa! Yay! Vending machines. Oh, Irahasu. Yes. Oh, yes.
An amazing viewpoint.
Okay, I'm gonna go after I drink this. Amazing view. So my camera battery has died again. I really need to buy another one just to, swap them around while I travel. But yeah, we have just got to the viewpoint, we had a look around, took some photos, and now we are heading back to the hotel to get our bags and then go to Osaka. Oh wait, is this a second viewpoint? So this is the city side of Kyoto. Look at that big crow. Wow. These maps are not the best, unfortunately, at guiding people on where to go. I just have one piece of advice, which is wear full-length pants. I have 3/4 length pants on right now. I was not expecting to do this. And there's nettles. There are nettles and there's bugs and they bite and it hurts. So just a little bit of advice, because I was stupid and didn't wear full-length pants. We are getting somewhere. Amazing. Oh my god, that's stunning. Why did I have a shower this morning? Can I walk?
Yeah, go.
Wow. Oh, look. It's the lucky statues. Oh, that's a sexy one. Did you see? I'm gonna have to, beep that out. No demonetization station here. Whoa, look at that bird. We've made it back to the park, yay. Look at that big bird. Oh my goodness. Look at him. theatre now, and they have a new kabuki production of Naruto, which is interesting. I love that one.